Convent School. We try to love and keep it true, for we try to aim at things worthwhile and face a setback with a smile. A batch of happy girls and boys are we. We are trained to take a stand in life and steadfastly we hope to fill our roles until we reach our final goal. Our Lady of Luz is our queen, a loving mother she has been, always been. We will love her, watch her, copy everywhere, in place, enjoyment, work and pray. School we will loyal be and render service fond and free and practice all the maxims with a zest. We'll work with might and main, and keep our honor without stain, for we try to win credit and renown for dear Luz Convent Saligaon.
A warm welcome to one and all from Luz Convent High School, Saligaon. Along the slopes facing the lush green fields of Saligaon since conception, Luz Convent High School has been run by the management of the Society of Franciscan Sisters of Christ the King. We are happy to present to you our annual day with great enthusiasm even though we face the COVID pandemic. Dear parents, with a warm heart we present to you our program Deepshika.
To the mind, wings. To the universe, soul. To the heart, strings. A broken life made whole. To dream, deep meaning. To imagination, flight. To the dark, a gleaming. To the sadness, light. The students of class 6 express their conviction in the power of dreams to the sublime art of music. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the students of class 6 with a million dreams.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the ones I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. Million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be a part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along. To the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.
Gone are the days, but schools meant just learning the events given in a history textbook or solving tough mathematical problems or reciting poems and sonnets. Nowadays, schools have become the first stepping stone in the life of a child, developing hobbies, talents, skills, refining basic etiquettes, providing holistic development, and teaching life's lessons are some of the many things that a school equips a child with.
Happiness is meeting old friends after a long time and cherishing good old memories.
Hi guys! Hi Jewel! It's a pleasure seeing you after all the ages.
Yes, indeed. After a very, very long time.
Come on in. Take a seat. So, what's going on?
All good.
Mama, look what I found when I was cleaning up the storeroom. It's you. Guys, this is my daughter Kriti. Kriti meets with my school friends.
Hi Arti, hi Lily, hi everyone. Mama reminds me a lot about school and her friends.
What got you so excited, sweetheart?
It's a picture of you as student. Which school is this, Mama?
Lutz Convent, of course.
You went to my school, but this doesn't look like my school uniform.
That's because our uniforms are different back then. A lot has changed in the schools since then.
Like what? Can you tell me?
When it started, Lutz Convent wasn't even called Lutz Convent. It was called St. Mary's. It became Lutz Convent only later. Also, it was a school for girls.
Our teacher dressed differently too. Wow, they look so pretty. So boys were included only later. Fascinating.
It sure is. I am very thankful to all my teachers for making me what I am today.
I used to be super weak in math. I remember my math teacher staying after class and teaching me. I passed my boards because of her.
Yeah, I know. My class teacher in 8th was so sweet. One day I didn't have money for the bus. She gave me the money I needed. I remember I was just playing with us on a school picnic.
Yes, me too.
Remember when we used to have fits in our school? We worked so hard for it.
Yeah, and the day went off so well. The games, food, and entertainment.
Oh, the props we made staying after the class with our teacher. They loved us like the old and taught us so many good values. And the competitions? What? I gained so much confidence.
My school days were the best days of my life.
Mine too.
Mine too. And what we learned in school has helped us make a difference in the lives of others.
I wonder how me and my friends can make a difference in lives of others like our school is doing for us. Ethan, yes miss. Can you keep these books in the staff room? Okay miss. Thank you.
Arey Ethan, thank you. That's all you got. Why didn't you ask for a good remark?
Here in school, we are taught not to expect for a reward for a good deed. Whatever we do is all for God.
Oi, what? Oi, Apri, come here.
That was extremely rude of you. What you said is highly racist.
So what? He's an outsider, not from Goa. He doesn't speak my language.
Do you think those are good reasons to treat someone badly or pass remarks at them? Do you remember what the history teacher taught us the other day?
Yeah, honestly, everyone equally. I do. I don't make fun of you, do I?
We have to treat everyone equally, irrespective of their caste, class, religion, or race. We have to learn to respect everyone. Our teachers make no difference between students, and I would love to grow up to be like them.
I'm really sorry, Manish.
Yeah, sorry, Manish.
Hey Ranveer,
Hi, Ethan.
where are you headed?
I'm off to Abdul's house to eat today, and he has invited me over for lunch.
Come on Ranveer. Are you being serious right now? What does Eid have to do with you? You're a Hindu. You guys are poles apart.
This misguided notion is what we are taught to challenge in school.
How is it misguided?
Well, we before belong to a particular religion, we are foremost humans, and we study together, we celebrate all festivals together, and we pray for each other, and the same God hears our prayers. And this is what the religion teaches us to love everyone as we love ourselves.
Hey, that's what I read in the Bible too.
Exactly, this is what our school encourages us to treat everyone as we would treat ourselves.
I have been extremely narrow-minded and polarized. Anyways, it is not too late to change. Secularism, unity, and brotherhood is the need of the hour today.
Would you like to join me for lunch?
Yes, I would love to. Let's go.
Mom, it's election day. Are you not going to vote? I'm not. Who's going to stand in those wrong to under the hot sun? It's just one vote anyway. But Mama, but what? It's useless. Both candidates are equally bad and I have better thing to do than elect a rogue. But Mama, our school has taught us that it is our duty and responsibility as good citizens and that every vote counts. But what is the point? Look at how dirty the government buildings are, the broken benches in the park and the state of the seats in the government buses. All that is because we as citizens are not responsible. We don't need public facilities as our own. We have to make sure we as citizens keep public spaces clean and well maintained. I'm glad you have learned so much. Now let me go to cast my vote.
Wow, we can really make a difference in the world. I really hope that every student passing out of Lutz Convent will inculcate the values learned there in their daily lives. After all, the world is in desperate need of individuals who are spiritual, moral, and intellectual, working towards the common good.
मानव जीवन का राज ज्ञान के दीपक में छिपा है। गुरु के बिना इसे पाना असंभव है। इसीलिए भारतीय सभ्यता में गुरु को सर्वोच्च सम्मान दिया गया है। गुरु जो गलतियां सुधारे, सही दिशा की राह दिखाए, इनकी आज्ञा का पालन जो भी करे, अपना जीवन सजाए सवारे।
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। हो
हमारे माता पिता हमारे लिए कितना कुछ करते हैं। हम जिंदगी में आगे बढ़े, यही तो वे चाहते हैं।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ।
स्कूल में हम अपनी संस्कृति, सभ्यता को सींचते हैं।
उलझन में इसकी है ये जिंदगी, ही पूरी कोराची।
कल्याण सांकली सोन्याची
सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक।
स्कूल में हम नाचते हैं, गाते हैं, मौज मस्ती तो खूब मचाते हैं।
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
समय के साथ शिक्षा स्वरूप बदल गया, परंतु ज्ञान का दीपक अखंड प्रज्वलित है।
इस दीप की दीक्षिका से आलोकित हम सब अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ते जाए, झिलमिल झिलमिल सितारे बन दुनिया में अपनी शान बढ़ाए।
तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाएंगे तारे जमीन पर।
ज्ञान मंदिर के साधक हम बस ईश्वर की कृपा चाहते हैं।
Amidst the lush green hills and fields of Saligaon lies a deep river of culture and tradition, preserving the past for the future through the eyes of the old to the young. In this skit, the students of class 9 invite you to join them in a walk through time to the beautiful village of Saligaon, steeped in history and culture.
The village of Saligaon is a haven of tranquility and nature. Its rolling green hills nestle in their bosom, verdant fields and traditional Goan homes.
Hi up children! Today is your last day in Goa before you return home to Canada. I want to take you on a tour of your beautiful ancestral village.
Great.
Wow!
Hey guys, look at that man working in the field. He is so old and he's wasting his time planting trees. Looks like he's just digging his grave and would just conk off any day now.
Children, it is bad manners to laugh at other people. This is Mr. Salgaonkar, a very well-known agriculturist of our village. He knows everything about crops and cultivation. He is a real treasure.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, children. I heard that you were laughing at me and at my work. You are right. I will not live much longer, but this mango sapling I am planting today will grow into a beautiful, healthy tree, producing the most delicious mangoes that the future generation, including you, will enjoy.
Children, this is the famous Saligaon Church, a great source of pride for the people of Saligaon. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, indeed. It is.
There's Father Daigo heading towards us.
Look at the statue of Maidev.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Good evening, Father.
Good evening.
So nice to see that you're interested in visiting Ahmadi Church. Did you know that this church is one of its kind? The finest example of neo-Gothic architecture in Goa, built by the Portuguese in 1873. It houses the miraculous statue of Mãe de Deus brought from the ruins of the convent of Mãe de Deus at Old Goa.
Wow, great.
Interesting.
You must also have seen how beautiful it looks when illuminated at night.
Yes,
Yes, we have.
Truly magnificent. Pity, we can't stay any longer. Father, we have to visit many places in Saligaon.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Thank you very much.
so much. Patrick, Kelly, look at this little stream flowing into the fields. This stream reminds me of Saligaon in the past. Did you know that Saligaon was known for its abundance of sugarcane fields?
Yes, I vividly remember. And there would be many foxes coming into these fields. That is why the people of Saligaon were called college. Every year until recently, Saligaonkars would organize a fair and dance called Foxes Fiesta.
Yes, it was one of these dances that I met your mother.
Did you know in Toronto we celebrate Goa Day every year and meet up with many extras from Saligaon. All of them speak of this village with great pride and nostalgia.
सोन्याची पाटी असो नारी असो भाताचो असो साखळ्याच्या देवळा घालू सोन्याचो वासो
What in the world is this dance? They look so funny dancing in a group.
I cannot imagine anything like this in Canada. It's so weird. Children, there is nothing weird about these dances. This is the Saligaon Kala Mandal and Institute which preserves the heritage of Goa.
Let me introduce you to the owners, Mr. Pramod Dukar and his wife Surita. They have been teaching this cultural dance to the younger generation for many years.
Namaskar, तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार. Me and my wife are very proud to teach Goan arts and crafts and dances to the village children.
Goa's rich culture and heritage must be preserved, and there is no one better than children to do this task. For the future of this state.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Duker, for your great service.
Come on, children, let us go to the Saligao Spring.
Wow, what a lovely place surrounded by nature. Do you all know, years before me and your mother had come to visit this spring and it was so beautiful.
Though it is in disrepair now, I'm sure the people of Saligao will bring it back to life soon.
It clearly shows us that Saligaonkars have a great sense of social responsibility and activism towards preserving cultural heritage and nature.
True.
What is that huge yellow building nestled among the trees on the hill slope?
That is my beloved school, Luke's Convent. John and Bosco also go to the same school.
I too went to the school when I lived here. How much it has grown.
Coincidentally, this year the school is celebrating its Platinum Jubilee this year. Since the inception in 1946 by Mrs. Ethelvina de Mello and Mother Bridget Sequeira, this school has grown in leaps and bounds. This is one of the leading schools in Valdez.
It has proved its excellence not only in academics and sports but also in various co-curricular activities. Whatever I am today, it is because of what this school has taught me.
Kids, your mom and uncle are the alumni of this school. Like them, there are hundreds of ex-students who have excelled in their careers and they owe it all to the school.
Now it is up to you to keep the flag of Luke's Convent always flying high. Indeed, we are so proud to have our origins in Saligao.
And I now understand how important it is to preserve our cultural heritage.
We too are very proud to belong to Luke's Convent.
Cheers to Saligaonkars.
Now near Luke's Convent High School.
The seeds of hard work sown today will bear the delicious fruits of success tomorrow.
गोंयचे मातयेंत संगीत रुजता, गोंयच्या सैमांत मधुर पायजाणां नाचता, गोंयकाराच्या ओंठार गितां घोळटा, देखून गोंयचें नांव संवसारभर गाजता. गीत, संगीत आनी ताल हांचो संगम म्हळ्यार गोंयचो मांडो. तुमच्या मुखार दवरतना आमकां काळजांतल्यान उपाट खोस भोगता.
but not the least, a word of appreciation to our headmistress, Mr. Jonatha Mendes, the teaching staff, and all others who have worked behind the scenes to put everything together and make this program presentable to you. Hoping you all have enjoyed watching our annual day program.
हमारा यह जीवन ईश्वर का उपहार है। शिक्षा ज्ञान का रत्नहार है। हम ही से तो धरती पर सुनहरी सुबह और सुनहरी शाम है। भारत भूमि की सेवा में ज्ञान की दीप शिखा सदैव प्रज्वलित रहे, यही हमारा प्रण है। हम सब मिलकर भारत भूमि का गौरव बढ़ाएं। चलो राष्ट्रगीत गाएं।